Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of Phuket's most iconic landmarks, the breathtaking Big Buddha. But before we dive into our adventure, let me share a bit of history and some helpful tips for visiting this awe-inspiring site. All right, now that we've set the stage, let's delve into the fascinating history of the Big Buddha and discover everything you need to know for an unforgettable visit. The Big Buddha, also known as Phra Phutta Ming Mongkol Akinakiri Buddha, was constructed in 2004 as a symbol of peace, unity, and spiritual enlightenment. Standing at an impressive 45 meters tall, this majestic statue is made of reinforced concrete and adorned with beautiful white Burmese marble tiles. When planning your visit, keep in mind that the Big Buddha is open to visitors from dawn until dusk, so you can experience its serene beauty at any time of day. As for the dress code, it's recommended to dress modestly out of respect for the sacredness of the site. Once you've arrived, prepare to be mesmerized by the panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. From the lush green hillsides to the crystal-clear waters of the Andaman Sea, the scenery from the summit of Nakkerd Hill is truly breathtaking. And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that the marble tiles used to adorn the Big Buddha were individually sponsored by local residents and businesses as a symbol of their devotion and gratitude? It's a testament to the unity and generosity of the community. Well, there you have it, folks. The fascinating history and essential tips for visiting Phuket's Big Buddha. I can't wait for you to experience the serenity and splendor of this sacred site for yourselves. Until next time, happy travels.